So as always, sideways project usually start as a triangle, then it decreases back. So for this tutorial I'm gonna start with slip stitch using 6mm crochet hook. I'm gonna chain 2. So in the second chain from the hook I'm gonna make 2 single crochet. I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, two single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1 and turn, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, two single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1, in the first stitch 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet in every stitch, in the last stitch again 2 single crochet. So basically for the first increase of the square, what we do, the beginning of the row, chain 1 and 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in every stitch. When you reach the last stitch of the row, again you make 2 single crochet. So 2 single crochet in the beginning of the row and 2 single crochet at the end of the row. So this is half of the square complete, corner to corner square, single crochet, and this is how it looks like so far, large triangle. And the next step we're gonna starting the closure of the square with the 2 single crochet together till we get to the last stitch. So I have done 100 rows for this, 100 rows of single crochet. You can do more or less depending how big you want the blanket to be, but this is the look when you reach 100 rows. And then, as I said, we'll continue now for the closure, and I'm going to show you the next step, how to start decreasing till you get this square complete. So this is 10 rows complete of the triangle. One thing, don't get intimidated or scared if it gets large like this, like into a circle shape. This is what you need to get for the first half, no matter how big is your square or triangle. And now we're gonna see how to shape it into the triangle. So I'm gonna chain 1. And this is what I'm gonna do for every single row till I'm left with 1 stitch only. So I'm gonna insert the hook into the stitch, pull through, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through. I've got 3 loops, pull through all. That's the first decrease. Then single crochet in every stitch till the last 2 stitches. So here are the last 2 stitches. Again, I'm gonna do a decrease. So pull through, insert the hook into the last one, pull through. You've got 3 loops, pull through all. That's 1 decrease. Chain 1 and repeat. 1 decrease and single crochet throughout till the last 2 stitches. Here is the last one, and another decrease. So here I'm left with the last 2 rows. So 1 decrease, wait, 1 decrease, another decrease, chain 1, and the last decrease, and pull through, and that's it. This is the square complete. So this is the final look of the blanket, the single crochet corner to corner square, and this is how it looks like. I have used 3 colors: white, orange salmon, and burgundy. Total of yarn is around 6 yarn balls, and what else? That's all. 7mm crochet hook. This blanket is around 90 to 100 centimeters. You can make it smaller or bigger if you want, as I have explained, depending how many rows from the beginning of the triangle shape. You do the number of rows required, then you start closing later on the second part. So if you need any further information, you'll have the written pattern linked in the description box. And that's it. This is the final result. It's very easy and very quick to make. Doesn't take more than 3 days. And the final look is pretty. It's like sideways single crochet blanket. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow and interesting. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.